guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm a gingerbread man.
The ingredients are 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of butter, softened butter, half cup of molasses, half cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of cloves. And these are my ingredients. First, we're gonna go ahead and sift our dry ingredients together. So I'm gonna add the ground ginger. I'm gonna add the salt, the baking soda, and the baking powder, and the nutmeg, the clove, and the cinnamon.
They're my favorite.
And we're gonna whisk this. Take your time.
Like this?
Yes. Give it a nice whisk together. Let everything combine. Nice. I think that's it. And now we're gonna sift our ingredients.
Ooh.
Nice. That's so funny, boy. Yeah. And to the next step, we're gonna go ahead and cream the butter and the sugar until it's nice and creamy and fluffy. Yeah. Take your time.
That's cool. Can you taste it?
Yeah. No, with your hands. Perfect. Nice and creamy. Good job. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the egg.
So yummy. Okay, you can taste it again.
Now we're gonna add the molasses. No more tasting.
Okay. Funny to say you get control. So you can mix it with the
Now we're gonna scrape on the sides of the bowl.
You want it to be all combined.
Yeah. Nice and combined.
Yeah, because you saw that, guys. This is so good.
1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can use almond extract if you want. Any extract or flavoring that you would like. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the flour gradually. Now we're gonna mix this. And we're gonna put this into the fridge to harden up because it's quite soft and it's not easy to work with right now. So we're gonna put this into the fridge to get hardened for about an hour, or you can leave this for overnight. You don't have to do it the same day, but we're gonna do it the same day. So we're just gonna put it in the fridge to harden up for an hour and a half, or even in the freezer, as long as you want it, right into the fridge. Now we're gonna go ahead and roll out the cookie dough. Because we don't want no sticking.
Yep. Pancake, bacon.
And we're gonna move this as we go along. It's okay, we can fix this back together like this. If you see it starting to break or crack, spread this out to about 1/4 inch 1/4 inch. And just keep on moving it around because you don't want it to be stuck. Now we're gonna try and get the first set of gingerbread men. Now we're just gonna flour. We're gonna use a small, we're gonna use the big one first. Okay. I'm gonna use a big one.
Yay!
Wait, no, wait. I'm gonna cut one, then you cut one. I'll cut the first one.
Press, mommy, press. And then we're gonna take the extra off. Oh, making gingerbread man looking so cute.
And then you do the other one over here. You have to press on it. You do it. Just press on every corner of it so you get them all correct. Okay, so we're gonna take them out and put them on our
Tray.
On our tray.
Yep, our cookies and bake them in the oven for 15 minutes.
Now we're just gonna bring back the dough together.
Yep, so we can do more gingerbread mans together because I love making them.
Everybody like making gingerbread man.
Good for you, mommy.
Okay.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll that dough, mommy. Roll that dough. Roll it, roll it, roll it.
And you have to work quickly with this dough because you don't want it to melt.
Yep. Also, Maria got ice cream.
You done now?
Yep.
So we're gonna put this back in the fridge because it's getting really soft. So we're gonna put this back into the fridge to chill because you don't want to bake them like this because they're really soft now. So we're gonna put them to chill for about 20 minutes. Go ahead and preheat your oven on 350 degrees. Nice and chill, and you wanna separate them a little bit. You don't wanna put them too close to each other just in case they spread. And now I'm gonna put them into the oven. The smaller one is gonna bake somewhere around 10 minutes and the larger one gonna bake somewhere around 12 minutes. They're finished, and now we're gonna put them on a cooling rack to cool before we do the decorations, right? So we're gonna make them cool. Put them on the tray. Smelling amazing.
They're crunchy inside.
And these are the type of cookies that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So we're just gonna leave them to cool. Go in and decorate our cookie, our gingerbread man, and we have some royal icing here.
Woo. And we're gonna decorate it with some ice and stuff. Woo. It's fun to see the video cook. Woo. So nice.
We're just outlining the cookie.
So slowly. And then we can put some color on.
Now we're gonna go in with the eyes.
Because that is so beautiful.
And give it some smiley face.
Yep. And then the big ones and the tiny ones. Don't forget
A happy face, not a sad face.
Don't forget the buttons.
I'm gonna let you do the buttons.
Ooh, yay! It's spicy.
You can basically do them however you want. I'm not a cookie decorator. I'm just doing the basic. Happy face.
I think you put too much icing, Mommy.
I think so too.
Look at that face. It's like a banana.
Okay, so you're gonna do the buttons. Maya making the little buttons.
Mama? Doop, doop, doop. Doop, doop, doop.
There you have it, guys, our gingerbread man cookies. Nice and lovely cookies. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and leave us a comment down below. And now we're gonna do a taste test into these lovely cookies. See? Yum yum yum. We took a foot off. Thanks for watching.